Tired of your feet slipping on those old, worn-out pedals? This three-piece set of brake, clutch, and accelerator pedal pads for VW Transporter T4, Golf, and Jetta MK2 models might just be the solution you've been looking for. They promise a significant upgrade in grip and comfort, and honestly, after checking them out, there's a lot to like here. Right off the bat, the material feels substantial. It's a durable rubber with a really nice texture that's designed to give your shoes a much more reliable hold. You know those moments when you're braking hard or need to quickly shift gears, and your foot feels like it's about to slide off. These pads are built to prevent exactly that. The surface features protruding rubber strips, which effectively increase the contact area and friction between your footwear and the pedal. It's a simple design, but it makes a noticeable difference in how secure you feel. Beyond just grip, the added comfort is a real plus. Driving for extended periods can be tough on your feet, and these pedal covers add a bit of cushioning and a more ergonomic feel. They're constructed to withstand the daily grind, meaning they should stay put and resist coming loose, which is crucial for safety. The product description mentions they are a great replacement for old, worn-out ones, and that's absolutely true. They look and feel like a significant upgrade over standard, often slippery, pedal surfaces. Installation is described as easy, though professional installation is recommended, which is always a sensible suggestion for car parts. The set replaces part numbers 171,721,647 and 321,721,173, so make sure those match your vehicle's requirements. They are specifically designed for VW Transporter T4 from 1990 to 2003, and VW Golf and Jetta MK2 from 1984 to 1991. The build quality seems solid, promising a stronger and more durable solution that could potentially make your driving experience more efficient and certainly safer. Overall, if you own one of the compatible VW models and your pedal pads are looking a bit sad or are just not providing the grip you need, this three-piece set is a very compelling option. It's a straightforward upgrade that addresses a common issue, offering improved control and comfort for a more confident drive.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.